Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time, I think close to 2 months now, but I just want to apologize. I'm so sorry. I didn't intentionally just want to go off like that. A lot of things happen in March that I can't just start talking about, but I bless the Lord for keeping me and loving me. So because of that, I'm just gonna jump into what I'm gonna share with you today. For a couple of time, I've been hearing people say it's okay for a girl, for a lady actually, to ask a guy out. And each time I hear that, I'm like, gosh, it's not possible. It can never be. It's never ever going to be. But let me shock you. I am a living witness of this testimony. So this guy I've been having a huge crush on for a very long time, but no, don't do this and do that. You're a girl, you shouldn't go and approach him first, let him come to you and all. School went by, 4 years, we all graduated, we left. But recently I met the same guy in a public transport, and wow, he's still looking so damn cute. Oh god. So when I was in the public transport, then I saw him. I was trying to play the ignorant one. I don't want him to know, but it was okay. It was the adult, the matured one here. So he greeted me for hey, what's up, hi. Hi. We chatted for a while in the bus. Then we exchanged contact and all. So we started chatting on WhatsApp, and voila, I started noticing he was having the same mutual feeling as I was, but we're waiting for who will go first. Lo and behold, guess who did the job for him? I did. Yeah, I did. I asked him out, and you know what he said? Yes, he has been on this guy's mind, but he's perhaps she's already into a guy already, she's already dating and he doesn't want to come in between and all. The guy, I just had to summon the courage. I don't know where the courage came from, but it just came. And I can tell you now that I'm in a relationship that I'm wishing that I am in. It's a lie. That's a terrible story that I just told right now. I'm not in support of a girl asking a guy out. It's not like I would advise you against it if you feel it is proper for you to do that. But to me, I'm not in support. I'm a Christian, so I feel it's normal for a guy to ask a girl out on the normal terms. So that's by the way. To apologize to you guys for cutting and going on a long vacation that I didn't plan for. I've decided, actually, it's not even I've decided this for a very long time, but now it is signed, sealed, agreed, done deal. I said I was going to get a rechargeable ring light or a ring light that uses a power bank. Yes, guess who got it? I did. Yeah, me did. I did. Your girl did. And that's what. Period. So, welcome my new baby. I hope I'll be able to get a music, a soundtrack, to go with this video right now, but YouTube on their license, and I don't have a big editing app for now, so manage with me. I feel like dancing right now. So yeah, I got this ring light from the Trees brand. You can check them out on Instagram. She's my friend, so she's tested and trusted. That's a period. This is jack of all trade, and she's giving back to back. I got this at a very, very affordable rate. In fact, I can say it's cheap, safe, but it's very affordable, and it's actually nice. So I'm gonna unbox this with me. Although let me tell you, I've actually unboxed it before because I have to test. See, all these people that used to say unbox with me, unbox with me. That's a lie. You put lie for you play to us. There's just like unboxing. You've already unboxed before. You now boxed it back to unbox later to show to us. So that's what I'm going to do again. I've already unboxed before, to test, so that it's not be that to be story to the girls later. So I had to check before I brought it home. So I'm not gonna be crying tears. That is a cry. So this is the ring light. It's a 12 inches ring light. I know it's smaller than the ring light I'm using right now. The one I'm using right now is an 18 inches, but this is a 12, so I can just be using this for now to do just like mini videos for whenever there's no light, because I don't know Nigeria and electricity. I don't know the person that's going to settle that fight. I don't know. So I got this, to just to apologize to you guys. In Yoruba they say something like so me I've already eaten a core, that means pap, local pap. I've eaten a core and it has it has stained my hands. But you as the adult just help me wash it and make it clean and all. I don't know how that goes, but I just also have my own. So this is the 12 inches ring light, and this is the cable that comes with it. The cable can be used with a power bank or be plugged directly into a socket. I don't know, a plug, a charger head. In Nigeria we call it charger head. Yeah. So yeah, I'm used with this. So this is the 12 inches ring light, size of my head. Why is wow. So this is the size of the ring light. This is 12 inches, and it comes with this phone holder. Comes with just a phone holder, unlike my 18 inches ring light, which came with 3 phone holders, but this came with just one. I think I might show you guys how I'm going to assemble this, if time permits, or in the next video I'm going to add this, but just watch out. So a phone holder, then this is to combine with the tripod stand, which is this. The reason why I'm happy with this tripod stand is because the 18 inches tripod stand I got is not even worse. It's actually not quite good. It gets shaky by this side, and it tends to make my ring light fall sometimes. So I'm just so happy that I can actually be switching to this sometimes, and I can be using this at the same time. So this one just comes into this. You remove this top. I think I should do a video instead of how to assemble this one, because I don't want to take your time. This is an apology video, and that's a period. That's what I'm going to do. That's a period. So I apologize to you guys. I've got a ring light. Okay, settled. So this is past 5 to 6 actually, and I haven't had my bath. And yes, I'm making this video. Come on, see freshness overdose. So I just have to quickly wear this because I came back from a video, and I just have to quickly make sure things are popping for you guys. At least let me just drop something after a very long time. So I'm making this video. This is 6 o'clock. I've not had to sleep since yesterday. I've not set my eyes on sleep. All for you people, so please accept my apology. So I enjoy, and if you enjoy, please don't forget to like, comment, share. Just blow me with your love. Blow me away. Surprise me. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you another time. Same station, same channel, same person, same name, same TV, same phone, same camera, same ring lights, same house. No, might not be same house, but just same person. At least that it might even be same phone, because I'm hoping to get another phone. So it's going to be the same phone, but same person. So please watch out for the juicy context I'm going to be giving back to back, back to back, back to back. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment once again. Share. Watching, and I'm going to share a video later on of I'm going to be assembling my ring light. I did the same thing with my and I do it again with my 18 inches. I don't know how is that gonna be. So, and even now I'm gonna be getting a brighter color. Let me even try and test it so you guys can see what I'm saying. Girl, I'm saying, come on, see now. I feel it. Look, feel the texture without, with close up, shot. Hey. So without, with, hey, boy, just prepare your mind because I'm gonna blow you away. I'm gonna blow your mind away. Thank you.